my name is Cassie Brault. I'm a freshman student here at the University of South Carolina, nursing student. Our whole group project was on job opportunities in nursing, but I specifically did 2-year degree. We broke it down into a 2-year degree, 4-year degree, 6-year degree, and 8-year degree. But my topic was a 2-year degree or associate's degree in nursing. Rewards I found with this project were realizing how important it is to higher education. The difference between a 2-year and a 4-year degree isn't that much of a difference besides pay and just the knowledge and experience you have. I really found that it was interesting to always learn more in higher education because the world around us is growing with technology and etc. And it's just important to keep growing with it because you don't want to be in a hospital and not feel like you know what's going on because of the experience you've had or the education that you haven't had. So I really thought that was interesting to know. Also, it's really cool because we're in the 4-year degree program now in bachelor's. And it's really cool to realize that we can further our education more and do a 6-year degree or 8-year degree. And I mean, that's our future and that's what lies ahead. So it's exciting to realize like I don't have to stop after this and I can learn more. And if I feel like if you know more information, then you can help more people. Like Dr. Wiki said in class, he wanted to learn more, so he didn't feel like he was not as much help because he wanted to be as much help as possible. Challenges I had with this project, I guess finding the correct and accurate information. Because with a 2-year degree, it depends. Like there's so many factors you have to put into place as to whether, if you're in a certain state or certain region, of what your pay might be, or what kind of hospital, because it really just depends on those kind of factors. So I guess finding the most accurate information possible was kind of like a challenge or a dilemma. Other than that, it was a really interesting project. I enjoyed learning of what else I could do after I finished my 4-year degree here. To become a more advanced nurse as an anesthetist. There's many types available after you get your 4-year degree. But yeah, a 2-year degree is a wonderful degree as well. You can get in the hospital. You can do much as everything as a 4-year degree. It's just having that extra knowledge and extra experience and skill that makes you more comfortable in the hospital setting. I really enjoyed all of my group members. We worked really well together. And from what they say too, I'm sure it's just so interesting to know, and so like you're comfortable knowing and that you can continue, and you don't have to stop after this, and you can learn more and be just more comfortable in the hospital. And yes, it's higher pay, but overall it's just a really good feeling to know that you don't have to stop after this, and there's more that lies ahead in the future.
My name is Kayce Booth, and I was responsible for researching job opportunities for nurses with master's degrees. I was very surprised to find out that all the different areas of nursing you can study in graduate school. When thinking of an advanced practice nurse, I usually only thought of nurse practitioners. After this project, however, I learned that you can become a nurse anesthetist, midwife, or manager, just to mention a few. I was also very surprised to find the salaries of nurses with master's degrees. They make a lot more than I thought they did. Some challenges I faced while researching were finding sources that gave me the right information. Most of the websites out there were either related to finding work or professional organizations. And although those sources weren't right for this project, I'll definitely return to them in the future. Hope you enjoyed our wiki.
Bockskopf. I'm glad we chose the topic that we did because it really got me to look deeper into the different nursing degrees and where you can go with the degree that you earn. We split our wiki pages into how many years of education to receive what degrees. Some challenges that I personally faced when researching was actually finding good concrete information. I had the page for 8 years of education, which would be a doctorate degree, although it may vary from person to person on how long it actually takes a person to receive that degree. But throughout my research, I realized very quickly that the nursing doctorate degree is very less common than many other majors that receive doctorates. This made finding information a lot more difficult and challenging. But due to the difficulty in my research, I found it rewarding that I actually had to try hard and research to find out about my degree, causing me to really look deeper into the options and opportunities for a doctorate. Our topic helped me because it gave me a better understanding of the different levels of degrees of becoming a nurse. It gave me insight about the different types of nursing careers and their salary, as well as just looking at the different levels of nursing based on education and the number of years needed.
My name is Sara Breeden, and my part of the wiki was based on 4-year nurses who obtained their BSN degree. While trying to find out information for this project, I came to realize that there are more job opportunities for nurses than I actually expected. I learned that nurses really can work in just about any environment that they want to, which is really convenient for me because trauma and emergency rooms actually scare me. It was difficult finding specific information on nursing because most websites either led you to places that were more of organizations to help promote nursing, which in the long run can actually be very helpful. Doing this project really made me appreciate the opportunities nursing has to offer me. No matter what, I'll always be meeting new people, and it will shape me as a person. There always will be a need for more nurses. I also learned that a lot of nurses constantly continue their education, and there's a lot of ways in doing so. Not to mention, nurses also get paid fairly well. I hope you enjoy Group 3's Wiki.